blue skies. It's stopped raining. I think this is the first day since we moved, and it's been a week now since we moved into Matilda, that it's stopped raining. It's been horrendous. But this, granted it's cold, but oh my gosh, it's lovely. This makes it all worthwhile. And we'll top the solar up. Win-win. Up, up. No, that's round. Up, up. Good girl. Sorry, just turning the telly down. So, what day is it? Tuesday. We have been in Matilda officially 1 whole week now. And today, as you can see, the sun is shining. For the first time, it's rained every single day. But, you know, baptism of fire and all that. So Mark's away today for work. I've been on my own all morning. I've had a little pootle around, tidy up. I've had a shower, washed my hair, and I've dried my hair. I've had a shower since we've been here, and I've washed my hair, but I haven't dried it as yet. It's just, it sounds silly, but it's just so nice to do something just a little bit normal. I feel like me and not just it's been such a busy week. I haven't really stopped and just had a bit of time for me. So I am watching daytime TV. I've got 2 crumpets under the grill. I'm going to sit for half an hour, then I'm going to pop and see a friend this afternoon. So yeah, truck life today is really good. For anybody that was wondering, this little oven that we've had fitted is fab. Use the Lobsters. I'll do a link. Mark got it. I can't remember where it was from actually, but it is one for caravans and motorhomes, because we couldn't have one that was too deep because we don't have a huge amount of space there. But this is fab. The grill part, I'm just doing a couple of crumpets. Oh yeah, it's not huge, but it's big enough for 2 of us. I could definitely get a whole chicken in there. I can bake a cake, hopefully. Haven't tried yet, but I will let you know. But yeah, so far we're really happy with it.
Lancaster Beach, sun's out. Dogs are all excited, Hobbs.
I'm driving down an empty freeway. No waiting for the light to change. I'm seeing the sunrise behind me.
It's always her in the front of the camera, isn't it? Good boy. Oh, he's gone. Good boy. Absolutely loves being at the beach, bless him. He might be 13. He's a good boy. You doing all right, you mate? Good boy. I don't know what I'm talking to him. He's deaf to the post. They're happy dogs.
Labrador still splashing around.
We had such a nice lunch today. We went for a walk at Brancaster Beach. It's a Sunday, and then we went to Thornwood Deli on the way home near Hunstanton. Oh, it was amazing. We both had a fish finger wrap with the best homemade tartar sauce ever, and then we bought these little lobster coasters, of course. And this, I think these have a name, but these little fish jugs are amazing. I've wanted the bigger versions for ages. And they got these teeny tiny ones. Look how small it is. So perfect. Find a little place in Matilda for her to sit. And now I'm going to drink that bad boy.
We've been chatting to Brady and Heather for a while, and we're so excited to finally meet them in real life.
It's going to be really interesting to see why.
Oh no.
Huh?
If you haven't met them before, this is the race.
Sunday night wine.
Heather, Brady, Alexa.
Can we test drive the new glasses?
Yes, let's.
Foothills of the Italian Alps, renovating an old stone house into a place to call home.
No, do you want to choose whereabouts you would like your glass?
Oh, magnetic
Travel channels and
coasters.
trying our hands at van life.
Oh, hello.
Before finally setting
Or the
into
millionaires
creating
winning
an
tickets, we'll do those.
alternative life
Obs.
with our children here in Europe.
So where do you want them?
Are you going to stick them down?
Yeah, that's the point. Because otherwise they just do that.
What's the company called? Turn it over.
Good
There we go.
morning, everybody, look at that behind me.
Silly.
That is a proper
Turn that.
mountain with snow on the top.
It has
So these have got sticky backs. But you stick them and you can remove them. Are these ones you can wash?
Yeah,
And then-
peel them off, wash them with water, stick them back in the new place.
Perfect. And these glasses. Oh. So when you're a bit,
You can see the
when you're a bit of a clumsy person like me, I don't know where. Oh, I don't know if we want to stick them to the table though, do we?
why not? Stick them to the table, even if you have to move them once a day. There's no drama.
Oh, let's give it a go. We'll do a little link actually because this company are fab, and these they're really nice glasses to drink out of as well. They're quite thin. Oh, what's going on? Yeah, they'll do. We're not eating on here tonight, are we, sir?
No.
Nice one. Oh, careful, you've already broke one.
That wasn't stuck though, was it?
And we've got new coasters that we picked up today. I'll make sure it's in line. Oh, yes. I forgot we had these even though they're sat up there the whole time. You see them every day. Oh, that'll do nicely, thank you.
Nice crystal glass. No clumsy. Job's a good one.
We haven't drank all that already. That's from yesterday.
Second-hand wine.
Sunday evening, chilling out in the truck, watching.
I like those.
Catching up on YouTube, some of our favourites.
Watching newbies.
I think we'll watch the Camper Vibe Girls next. They work? Nice. Cheers.
Cheers.
What do you think it's going to look like? Is it going to work?
Vesper.
You
sleepy?
I always support Ruby and all of this crazy
I've been
ideas,
running on the
and I
beach
never
all
can picture
day,
how it's gonna
tired.
work until it's actually
My
done.
head's too heavy to hold itself.
That's
So.
where I'm at right now.
And she's waiting for dinner.
Are you going to get in it later?
Yeah. -5, and it looks like the sink pipe is frozen, so I've got my trusty heat gun. Just trying to take the edge off. See if we can defrost this bad boy. Alright, see you in a bit. Where is it?
Where is he?
It's a secret hole. Get it.
No, you can't.
No, don't climb in it. You don't know.
The actual Vesper?
Yeah, the actual tap, outside tap's frozen solid, so no water today. I'll have to see if we can get some tomorrow.
No water today.
No
How
water.
cold it is out there.
It's freezing.
Where's he gone, missus? Shit, I didn't realise that went outside. Good girl. Good girl. What day is it?
Wednesday.
Wednesday. So a full week we've been living in Matilda.
With lots of water, rain,
It rained until
now frost.
Sunday. Then it stopped raining. And then we've had -7. So we've had a few leaks. Now we've got a frozen pipe to the grey water, from the grey water, which means we now can't
The grey water's now filled.
have a shower or do any washing up. But we're still drinking tea.
The most important.
But we get that fixed this afternoon, it's no drama. So Mark's working, I'm editing. The dogs are asleep somewhere. I think I might have a biscuit.
She's having a biscuit.